Good afternoon. Thanks for joining me today as we walk through this 2011 80 motor yacht Hatteras. This is a MarineMax trade. This vessel is a 4 stateroom with 4 in-suite heads, a day head on the main level, and the bridge offers an enclosed fly bridge. Come on the aft deck and we'll walk you through this yacht. As we make our way onto the aft deck, one nice thing you're going to notice about this is how much space this area offers. Great seating across the back. The ability to put 3 or 4 high gloss teak chairs across here as well, which really adds to the environment of having a really nice breakfast when you're anchored out in the Bahamas. The swim platform itself, you can access this aft deck from port or starboard up the stairwell. Really nice feature. Also, the crew have 2 ways to enter the crew's quarters. One from the swim platform, and then a second entrance right from here. One of the really cool features is your access into the salon. As you make your way, you'll go through 2 electric doors. I'll show you how this is done. Join me in the salon through these dual electric stainless doors. One thing that's real unique to the 80 Hatteras is it's a wide body design. That means the salon is pushed out all the way out to the sides of the boat, which is a 21-foot 3-beam. So you really have the volume of it. The interior of a boat like this, closer to a 100-footer. Over here to starboard, you've got a really nice walk-behind bar, which you can put bar stools around that as well, or bustle chairs. And to port, we got a really nice couch. And forward of that is our dining room table. Right now the dining room table is set to 4, but you can easily set this table to 8. We got a little wine cooler over here, and then of course some area for glasses and glassware. Join me as we walk through the galley of this 80 Hatteras. This is designed as a country kitchen. So this vessel is equipped with 1 helm, and typically if you had dual helms, one of the helms would be down here, but we've utilized this space to make this a really nice country kitchen. A lot of space, great for a chef. Got your Sub-Zero refrigerator. Got a really nice island for plating. So a chef that wants to plate for dinners can easily access the dining room, but plate here on the island as well. As we make our way down to the staterooms, one feature this boat offers, which you gotta see, is an on-deck head. This is a really nice feature so the guests don't have to go down to their staterooms below. This is our lower companionway, which is our entrance to all 4 staterooms. Your master is gonna be midship. So we'll take you back to the master. This stateroom is a built full beam, king-size bed, dual closets, but one of the nice features is it has a his and her head. As you make your way into the bathrooms there, you will see how that's designed. As you make your way forward from the master, you're gonna have one of your main VIPs to port. Got a queen stateroom bed. And again, full in-suite bathroom, great shower. Forward to that, you're gonna have a starboard stateroom with over-under bunks. And then your second main VIP in the boat is gonna be up in the bow here. Another queen-size bed with an in-suite head as well. Welcome to the enclosed fly bridge of the 80 Hatteras. This is very unique. This has a great helm, all indoors, glass all the way around, which makes it an enclosed. Great seating up here as well for your guests. And then you again have great seating off to your starboard side, which again, this enclosed bridge, when you're at dock or anchor, can become another area to enjoy, you and your friends. We've also equipped this with a full bar. So we got a U-shaped bar in here with refrigerator and an ice maker, and then of course a television. Well, this is the fly bridge of the 80 Hatteras. Right now this bridge is set up to utilize 2 jet skis. You can see that the davit here has an extension off of it as well over on the starboard side. But 2 unique features of this bridge. One is we've got the grill, which is right here. Dual burners. And then also for the captain, on the port and starboard side, you're gonna have controls. So for docking, he's got bow thruster and all his engine controls right here as well. Well, welcome to the cruise quarters of this boat. This is really a nice area, very well put together. First thing you'll see when you come in, this is a washer and dryer over here on the starboard side. This area is equipped with 2 separate staterooms, one for the captain, which can be for a husband-wife team or a captain on his own. And on the other side is an over-under bunks. As you move forward into the engine room, you're gonna notice we got twin Caterpillar 1600 horsepower engines. We got 2 27 kW generators. We got a water maker that's 1,800 gallons per day. And one of the really cool features when we built this boat for the first owner was we put a Brownie dive system on the boat, which allows at the aft of the boat, which we'll show you in a minute, to actually reel out the hose where you can adapt up and then have other people dive from the back of the boat. Got to show you how this works. So this is all on a cable master reel. You can see how you would hook up here, turn the compressor on, and have an octopus that would go out and allow other divers to enjoy this. But the whole thing is on an electric reel going back in. Thanks for joining me this afternoon as we walk through this 2011 80 motor yacht Hatteras. Again, this is a MarineMax trade of ours. You can find the boat on MarineMaxYachts.com. Any additional information that I can help you with, my cell phone is 727-638-7890. And again, my name is Scott Robertson. Thank you again.